Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! So for today's video ay mag-steam tayo ng razor clams with garlic and vermicelli. So gawa tayo ng sauce, garlic, chili garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Mix well. So magbabad din tayo ng rice vermicelli, and then wash the razor clams. So gumamit ako ng frozen razor clams, yung wala ng shell. So let's clean. So tatanggalin natin yung dumi dun sa tiyan niya at saka dun sa labas. So, ilagay na natin yung rice vermicelli sa plate. And then, i-arrange natin yung razor clams. Ayan, okay na siya. So, ilagay na natin yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Ayan, napakagandang tignan. So, start na natin, i-steam natin to ng 12 to 15 minutes. Ayan guys. Then, garnish with spring onion chop. Then papainit tayo ng oil. Then saka natin ibubuhos yung oil. So ayan, okay na ang lahat. So that's it. Ganyan lang kasimple guys. So thanks for watching.